Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to create order for ENC, ADP, and EMP on Navigator Suite application. Well, I have received many messages which requested me to make this video. That's why I will keep this video priority, okay? And in case if you have any specific topics you want me to make, you just drop the comment below so that I will prepare and make the video for you as soon as possible. Okay, let's get back to the point of the topic today. So in my opinion, I think that Navigator Suite is very useful application. It helps the officer to manage order and update the chart properly. That's why right now I will show you how to create order for that. And in the next video, I will show you how to download and install weekly update. Okay, so let's check it out. Well, as you can see that this is Navigator Suite application icon. To open that, you just double click on that. Now you have to create the initial passage plan so that you can use that to create order for ENC, ADP, and EMP. Okay, to do that, you click on the routing. You have to wait for the moment while it's running. So when the screen appears, you click on the create route. And in the available ports here, you have to input our current port. For example, our current port is Zhejiang. I will select the Zhejiang container terminal and double click on that. Then you have to write the next port. For example, our next port can be Trung, Vietnam. Trung, Vietnam. You can see that. Then double click on that. So after you double click on the next port, it will give you the best optimal route from Zhejiang to Trung. And in case if you don't want the ship passing to the east of Taiwan, you can change it here, like west. Here, you can see that you don't want to pass the west of the Taiwan. You click on that. You can see it will automatically change to the west of Taiwan. Now, if you want to change the waypoint one by one, you have to click on the create. You can see that. Then to edit that, you click on this icon, edit. So now you can edit the route one by one, just like that. Just hold the route and move wherever you like. And if you're happy with the route right now, you have to click on save. Then click on the save route to file. Now you have to write the route name like board voyage 2404 from Zhejiang to Trung, Vietnam. Then you click save. This one save on the desktop, okay? Now you can close this one. Well, as you can see, this is the route file which we have just saved. So before you create order for ENC, ADP, and EMP, you have to import this one into the Eclipse so that you can double check. Okay, and after you're happy with that route, you need to export the route file again. The root file name should be rtz. You can see that rtz. Okay, then you can proceed to create order. To create order, you have to open the Navigator suite again. Then you click on the catalog. So on the top bar, you have to select the root file, which you said before. You can see this one. This is the root file, which I said that before. 2404 Zhizhao to Zhongquet.rtz. Then you double click on that. After you double clicking on that, it will show you the route from Zhizhao to Zhongquet. Now the mission is to select the ENC, ADP, and ENP, which is related to the whole voyage. Okay, let me show you one by one. Firstly, I will, show you how to select the ENC, or we can call ABCS. So with the ABCS, we have to select the chart from berthing until overview, just one by one. Okay. Now I will click on the berthing and harbor first. Then you need to zoom in. As you can see, if you see any yellow chart like that, that means you have the permit already. Okay. If you see any chart like this, that means you have to order. To select that, you just click on that. Okay. So you have to check voyage if you have any charge engaged. After that, you click on the approach. Then you click on the chart which you want to order, just like that. After finish with approach, you can select the coastal. Then you have to check from the current port to the next port if there any charge you don't have. Click. So the next one is the general. You need to check all the charge engaged to the voyage. Then you click like that. And the final one is the overview. Okay, just like that. And to check again, you can click on one by one if there are any charge missing. Okay, so after selecting the IVCS, you have to select the ADP. You click on the products groups, then you select ADP. So on the ADP, you just do the same thing with the IVCS. You have to click on one by one. If you see the yellow color like that, that means you have the license already. Then you click to another one. a O0 color. And in case if you want to order the ADP which related to the voyage, you just click on the ADP like that, and to unselect you just click again. Okay, the next one is the ENP. So with the ENP, you can see I have all of the license for the ENP already. So if you want to order any ENP, you just click on that ENP. To unselect, you click on that again. Okay. Now you click on the basket. Then you change the date, like the validity for the chart and publication 3 months. Then you click on the save the basket file. You write the name like voyage 2404. Chú giáo sử dụng put request file. Then you click on save. Okay, you can see that this is the request file which I have just saved. Now you have to send 2 of this file. You give 2 of this file to captain, so captain will send this one to the provider, and provider will send you the permit and the license for ENC, ADP, or ENP. Okay, everyone, that's all for me today. So I hope you can learn something from this video. And if you want to see more video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.